Let's keep it simple with Professor English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Professor English Podcast. I'm Ben.
And I'm Lily. We're so happy you're here with us today.
How are you feeling today, Lily?
I'm feeling fantastic, Ben. You know why? Because we're going to help so many people today.
That's the spirit. And speaking of helping people, if you're new here, welcome. We make learning English fun and easy.
And if you're already part of our family, thank you for coming back. We appreciate you so much.
Hey, before we start, do us a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button right now.
Yes, please subscribe. When you subscribe, you never miss our new episodes. We share tips, tricks, and fun lessons every week.
And it's completely free. Just one click and you're part of the Professor English community.
Plus, subscribing really helps us. It tells us that you love what we're doing, and it motivates us to create more content for you.
So what do you say? Can we hear that subscribe button click?
We're waiting. Okay. Now let's get to today's amazing topic.
Today, we have something really special for you. We're going to share 10 simple tricks to help you speak English confidently every single day.
Yes, and the best part? These tricks are super easy. Anyone can do them.
That's right. So grab your coffee, tea, or water, get comfortable, and let's get started.
Okay then, what's the first trick?
Trick number 1 is to copy native speakers like an actor. Listen to how they speak and try to imitate them.
Oh, I love this one. It's like being in a movie. You can watch a video and repeat exactly what they say.
Exactly. For example, if someone says, "I'm going to the store," you repeat it with the same rhythm and tone. "I'm going to the store."
I do this with movie scenes. I pause the video, repeat the line, and try to sound just like the actor.
That's perfect. You learn pronunciation, intonation, and natural speaking patterns all at once.
And it's fun. You can pretend you're a character in your favorite show. What's trick number 2?
Number 2 is to shadow English speakers. This means you speak along with them at the same time, like their shadow.
Ooh, this is different from imitating. You're speaking together with them, right?
Yes, play a podcast or video, and as they speak, you speak the same words at the same time. Don't pause, just follow along.
I tried this with a news report. At first, it was hard to keep up, but after a few days, I got faster.
That's the goal. Your brain learns to process English at normal speed. You can shadow songs, audiobooks, or YouTube videos.
It's like singing along to a song, but with speaking.
Exactly. Now, trick number 3. Read out loud every day.
This is so important. Reading silently is good, but reading out loud is even better for speaking.
Right. When you read out loud, you practice moving your mouth, your tongue, and making English sounds.
I read children's books out loud. They're simple and fun. Dr. Seuss books are great for this.
Perfect choice. Or you can read news articles, blogs, or even social media posts. Just read them out loud.
Start with just 5 minutes a day. Read anything you see. A recipe, a text message, a street sign.
And don't worry about reading fast. Speak clearly and correctly. Speed comes later.
Good advice. What's number 4?
Trick number 4 is to use English for your daily reminders and shopping lists.
Oh yes. Change your life into English little by little.
Exactly. Instead of writing your shopping list in your language, write it in English. Eggs, milk, bread, apples.
I do this. I also set my phone reminders in English. Call mom at 3 p.m. or buy birthday gift.
That's smart. You're practicing writing and reading every day without extra effort.
And when you go shopping, you already know the English words because you wrote them down.
Perfect. Now, trick number 5 is to describe your surroundings in English right now.
I love this trick. It's like being a tour guide for your own life.
Exactly. Look around you and describe what you see. I'm sitting in a chair. There's a window to my left. I can see trees outside.
When I'm waiting for the bus, I do this. The sky is cloudy. There are 5 people waiting with me. A red car just drove by.
It's a great way to practice because you always have something new to describe. Every place is different.
And you learn vocabulary for real things around you. Very practical.
Yes. Okay, trick number 6. Sing English songs.
Finally! Music makes learning so much easier and more fun.
When you sing, you don't think about grammar or pronunciation, you just enjoy the music.
But you're actually learning. You learn rhythm, stress, and how words flow together.
I learned so much English from singing Beatles songs. Yesterday, all my troubles seemed so far away.
Beautiful. I like singing Taylor Swift songs. The words are clear and not too fast.
Perfect. Start with slow songs with clear lyrics. Disney songs are also excellent for beginners.
And you can sing in the shower, in the car, anywhere. No one judges your singing voice.
True. What's trick number 7? Number 7 is to change your phone and computer language to English.
Ooh, this is a big step, but it really works.
It does. You use your phone every day, so you'll see English constantly.
At first, you might be confused. Where's the settings button? What does this notification say?
But that's good. You learn by figuring it out, and phone language is simple and repetitive.
You'll see words like settings, notifications, messages, and camera every single day.
After 1 week, you'll know these words perfectly. It becomes automatic.
And if you get really confused, you can always change it back. No problem.
Exactly. It's a safe way to immerse yourself in English. Now, trick number 8.
What's number 8?
Trick number 8 is to use English gestures and body language when you speak.
Oh, interesting. Body language is part of communication too.
Yes, in English culture, we use our hands, we make eye contact, we nod our heads. These things help you feel more confident.
When I started using hand gestures when speaking English, I felt more natural and relaxed.
Exactly. For example, when you say, "I don't know," Americans often shrug their shoulders and put their palms up.
Or when you're excited, you might lean forward and open your eyes wide. That's amazing.
Right. Watch how native speakers use their bodies when they talk and copy that too.
It's not just about words, it's about the whole communication style.
Perfect. Trick number 9 is to teach English to someone else.
Wait, but I'm still learning. How can I teach?
That's the secret. When you try to teach something, you learn it much better yourself.
Oh, I see. So if I try to explain a grammar rule to my friend, I have to understand it really well first.
Exactly. Or teach simple vocabulary to your younger brother or sister. This is a cat, this is a dog.
I actually started a small English chat group with my friends. We practice together and help each other.
That's wonderful. You don't need to be perfect to teach, you can learn together.
And explaining things in English makes you use the language in a different way.
Yes, it builds your confidence so much. And finally, trick number 10.
The last one. What is it?
Trick number 10 is to celebrate your small wins every day.
I love this. It's not really a speaking trick, but it's so important.
It is. Every time you say a sentence in English, that's a win. Every time you understand a word, that's a win.
Many students focus on their mistakes and forget to celebrate their progress.
Right. Did you order food in English today? Celebrate. Did you understand a joke in English? Celebrate.
I keep a wins journal. Every night I write one thing I did well in English that day.
That's beautiful. It keeps you motivated and reminds you that you're improving.
Yes, learning a language takes time. Be kind to yourself and notice your progress.
Small wins lead to big confidence, and confidence is what helps you speak.
Wow, Ben, we covered so much today. 10 brand new tricks to speak English confidently.
Let's do a quick review. Copy native speakers, shadow them, read out loud, use English for lists, describe your surroundings,
Sing English songs, change your device language to English, use English body language, teach someone else, and celebrate your wins.
These tricks work because they make English part of your daily life naturally.
Remember, everyone, confidence comes from action. Every time you practice, you get stronger.
Before we go, we want to ask you something important. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Professor English Podcast.
Yes, hit that subscribe button. It helps us create more helpful content for you.
And if you have questions or want us to talk about a specific topic, leave us a comment. We read all your messages and we love hearing from you.
Which trick will you try first today? Let us know. Thank you so much for listening. Keep practicing, keep learning, and most importantly, keep speaking.
We believe in you. You can do this.
Until next time, happy learning.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.